ever thought of how business measure their progress? How they know whether they are going towards their goal or lagging behind? That's why the KPI comes into a picture. KPI mean key performance indicator that measure the measurable metrics. It could be a sales, net profit, or a unit sold by the company, or anything that can be measured. In this video, we will see how can we create a KPI in the Power BI. First, we will select this KPI visualization from this visualization pane, and we want to find out whether this much unit sold is greater than the previous one. We want to find out whether we are heading towards our goal or lagging behind. So in the value field, we will put this year unit sold. And on the trend axis, we will put the months, the fiscal months that we have. And the target, it's last year unit sold, because we want to compare it with the last year. As we can see, the last year it was 5,95,000 something, but in this year it is 4,82,000. So we are lagging behind towards our goal. The goal was 5,95,000, so we are 18% down. So with the help of this KPI, we found out that we are lagging towards our goal. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, you can subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.